Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told by
Kasi po,
what kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so
Prior to few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
tapped by
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
supposed-
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name.
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes, sir.
Huh? But I have other information.
So,
Member ba kayo ng member ba kayo ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
But
So, anong
we've
pangalan?
been waiting. Who is it?
General Macapas po.
Macapas.
General Macapas. So
So,
why?
paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was tapped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes. And
How are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay, how did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam
Yes,
Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan, but continue muna. Paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping at anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na, kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice. So, ang nangyari
Who
po,
talked that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po.
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Ms. Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po, he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano nyo
has no
finally
way.
na-contact
He
si
said
Guo
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
Aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If he knows...
Alam natin, ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas?
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I
kayo,
I just-
Senator De La Rosa.
Sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him.